The demand for energy solutions has skyrocketed as homeowners and businesses seek sustainable power alternatives. A reliable solar racking system is essential for optimizing panel placement, durability, and energy efficiency. This guide evaluates the best solar racking systems. List number. The eco-worthy home off-grid solar power system is a powerful 10 kW setup designed for large-scale residential or remote off-grid applications. The system includes a robust solar racking structure engineered to securely support multiple panels under varying weather conditions. Built from corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, the racks ensure long-term durability and stability. The adjustable design allows users to set optimal tilt angles for maximum sun exposure, improving energy efficiency. Installation is streamlined with clear instructions, pre-drilled holes, and compatible hardware, making it feasible for DIY enthusiasts or professional installers. This system accommodates both 120-volt and 240-volt outputs, providing versatile energy solutions for various home appliances and off-grid setups. Users report consistent performance, high power generation, and sturdy construction that withstands wind and snow loads. Overall, the eco-worthy 10 kW off-grid solar system delivers a reliable, durable, and flexible solar racking solution suitable for extensive solar installations. List number. The eco-worthy 10.7 kWh 2400W 48-volt solar power system kit offers an efficient off-grid energy solution supported by a strong solar racking system. Designed for moderate-sized homes or cabins, this kit provides ample storage capacity and stable power output. The included aluminum racking components are corrosion-resistant and adjustable, allowing users to achieve the optimal panel angle for sunlight exposure throughout the year. This adjustability enhances solar absorption, maximizing system efficiency. The racking system also supports easy expansion, accommodating additional panels if needed. Users praise the easy-to-follow setup instructions and the durability of both the panels and racks. Its compact design ensures compatibility with different roof types or ground installations, while maintaining secure anchoring against wind and weather. Overall, list number 3. The Renogy 200W ShadowFlux solar panel is engineered for efficiency even in partially shaded areas. Its advanced anti-shading technology and durable racking system ensure consistent energy output in less than ideal conditions. The panels are mounted on robust corrosion-resistant aluminum racks, which provide stability and optimal tilt adjustment. The N-type monocrystalline cells enhance energy conversion efficiency while minimizing power loss due to shading. Users report noticeable improvements in daily energy generation when compared to standard panels. The Renogy ShadowFlux setup is compatible with rooftop or ground-mounted systems, offering flexibility for residential and small commercial installations. Easy assembly and maintenance are major advantages, and the high-quality materials ensure a long lifespan. Overall, the Renogy 200W ShadowFlux with its sturdy racking system is an excellent choice for efficient, reliable solar installations. List number. The eco-worthy upgraded solar ground mount system provides a versatile and durable solution for ground-mounted solar panels. Featuring multiple adjustable pieces, the racking system allows users to tilt panels for optimal sun exposure, enhancing energy efficiency. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy, the racks are lightweight yet corrosion-resistant, offering long-term stability and resilience against harsh weather. Pre-drilled components simplify installation, and modular design allows for easy expansion. Users note that the adjustable tilt improves seasonal performance and reduces energy losses. This system is ideal for off-grid installations, residential ground setups, or small commercial arrays. Its combination of durability, flexibility, and adjustability makes it a top choice for users seeking long-term performance and scalability. Overall, the eco-worthy upgraded ground mount provides a reliable, efficient, and versatile racking solution for solar panels. List number. The Topsolar 100W 12-volt monocrystalline off-grid system includes a compact and durable racking solution for small residential or cabin setups. The aluminum alloy racks are lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and adjustable to achieve the optimal angle for maximum solar energy capture. This kit is ideal for RVs, boats, cabins, or small off-grid homes. Users appreciate the ease of assembly and stability of the racking system, which withstands wind and weather conditions. The monocrystalline panels ensure efficient energy conversion, while the racks provide secure support and longevity. The modularity of the system allows expansion for additional panels as energy needs grow. Overall, the Topsolar 100W off-grid system delivers reliable solar power with a sturdy, easy-to-install racking system, making it perfect for smaller-scale solar projects.